Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you, yes, our weekly candle closed far above our very important resistance level of the $25,200 to $25,300 level. Now the question is, are we just going to pump directly to the $33,000 level where we can find our 11-year resistance and support, or are we actually going to need to expect that within this or next week's weekly candle we need to see a retest of the $25,200 to $25,300 level before Bitcoin then with really a nice bounce and enough power can break even the $33,000 level to the upside, because otherwise we would be still remaining below our 11-year support and resistance, and this would still not be a good sign for Bitcoin and definitely not a sign that we are in the next bull run. Besides this, guys, I just opened a new trade. Yes, you heard me correctly. I just opened a new short hedge position with a 10x leverage. I will explain to you exactly why I'm opening this position, what the plan with this position is, and when I'm going to take profits if the price now proceeds in the direction we are expecting it to go. Let's, for that, jump onto the smaller time frames, because on the weekly this is not quite visible yet. On the daily time frame, maybe you can remember, if you are following this channel for a longer time, we use this beautiful M pattern here to short, and we also scaled up that short position as soon as this M pattern broke to the downside and our slightly downward sloping support was broken to the downside. These was the two places where we scaled up our short hedge position, or our short position in general. It was not really a short hedge position since we were still in the bear market, but what we can see here is that this horizontal traded area, especially because people expected the $28,000 level to be actually the bottom of the bear market, people expected that actually. We saw also this very beautiful massive wick here to the downside, which brought more confidence actually to the market, but in general we had a huge amount of trading volume here. So this amount of trading volume and this horizontal traded area between the $28,800 and $31,800 level is a very strong horizontal support and resistance. And we are right now directly below it. And normally, yes guys, there is the potential of us shooting into this resistance zone for a short amount of time. That's why this time I'm using a lower leverage to be prepared for that scenario. Because as you know, normally resistances are pretty much exact price levels, and that's why we can use higher leverages to short these exact price levels normally with short hedge positions. But this time it is definitely a traded area, so I want to keep the leverage a little bit lower. But in general, what we can see here is that on the 1 hourly time frame, directly below that important resistance area, we are forming potentially today a beautiful M pattern. And this M pattern, guys, could lead us, and this is why I'm saying on the weekly time frame it just would make sense to retest this important resistance and support that we had problems to get through for months now, the $25,200 to $25,300 level. And interestingly enough, this M pattern has the exact price target of the $25,400, $25,300, $200 level, exactly the level where our daily support is coming in as well. Again, here this red dotted line. And this is why I want to be prepared for this scenario, because not only would it make sense for the bulls to accumulate some more short positions on the way down here to liquidate them. That's why, guys, we are going to take profits at these levels if we should go and reach them. But in general, it is definitely the case that we have seen a massive aggressive pump, and we are now having a very important resistance area above us, and directly after that important resistance area, we pretty much have the most important resistance and support that we are going to find this bear potential bull market. This is going to be a very deciding price level, because not only are we seeing the $33,000 level as our 11-year resistance and support, but we also on the weekly time frame have this massive horizontal support and resistance area that had many retests as well. So we have a cluster of resistances above us pretty much, which is not going to be easy for the bulls to break to the upside. And this is why, besides our swing long positions, just to let you know there as well, if you are not interested in short hedging your hodl portfolio and your long swing trades, if you are just remaining in your swing long trades, keep in mind that I haven't scaled them up yet. I will scale them up on the retest of the $25,200 to $25,300 level, or on a break of the $33,000, $34,000 level. Like I said, it depends on how much time we need to reach these price levels now, where the resistance will be at then directly. But one thing I also want to let you know beforehand is the exact game plan with our new short hedge position I just opened. As you remember, our last two short hedge positions, our one, what happened there? We made $30,000 in profits. Our last huge short hedge position, which we scaled up successfully, we made $230,000 in profits. We took them out live in our videos. The only difference is that that short hedge position actually had $330,000 remaining, and through this massive pump, guys, we were not able to take these remaining $330,000 in unrealized profit, but still $230,000 in a profit with our last two short hedge positions in total well above $250,000. So I think it's definitely worth it to risk another $20,000 right here for our next potential large short hedge trade, because there are in the chart right now directly opportunities when we can scale up. As I mentioned, this M pattern and this horizontal support on the 1 hourly time frame. The first scenario is we are breaking here this M pattern to the downside. This will be the first support. When we are breaking it to the downside, I will use to scale up my short position, right? The second point will be this support over here. This is where I will scale up my short position so strongly that my stop loss will remain above this M pattern support line here, but my entry price will be slightly above the stop loss. Because even if we see a small fake out, we can expect that Bitcoin will have problems getting back above this M pattern support and resistance here. So, and then I mean, the price target, as I showed you, of the M pattern will be at the $25,200 to $25,300 level, and this is going to be the price level where I am then going to plan to take significant profits from this new short hedge position for sure, if we should see it play out successfully now. But this is actually already it, guys. It's a very short video. I hope you enjoyed it, but I just wanted to inform you about this. As you know, I'm always telling you what trades I'm doing next. Keep in mind, guys, to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. Don't forget, guys, my Discord is finally soon working again. We had a huge amount of issues the last couple of months with a few different blocks from Discord itself. Then there was like errors with the data exports from the exchanges and so on and so on. It seems like everything is getting fixed now. I will inform you as soon as everything is ready finally, because there were so many people having problems to join my private Discord community. It is fully for free, but only people that are signed up with my affiliate links can join. I mean, in general, but guys, by the way, if you want to support my channel, please go down to the video description, sign up with BitGet or with Phemex with my affiliate links down below. You are supporting me by that. With BitGet, with my link, I organized that exclusively. You are receiving 20% less fees. I organized it because I am also earning 20% less that way. So these percentages you are saving are getting taken from my commission actually. So I organized you the best possible deal, 20% fee reduction. So on BitGet, you will actually have the lowest fees in the entire market if you are signed up with my link, because I'm just giving away pretty much a part of the earnings that I would receive from the fees, right? With the affiliate links, I'm very open about this. I am receiving a small share of the fees that you are paying on opening and closing positions. These fees you are paying anyways, just the benefit with my link, you pay less actually. So definitely make sure to use my affiliate links in the video description down below. You are supporting me by that. You get reduced fees, you get deposit bonuses, sometimes exclusive tournaments where only people that are signed up with my affiliate links can take part in. And on top, soon, I hope today actually, it will be fixed finally that everyone can join the Discord community and I can finally focus on pushing content there as well. But now, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. We're going to see us in the next video. Till then, bye.